Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir fry on a Blackstone. First, ensure your Blackstone griddle is preheated to a consistent medium-high temperature, which is crucial for that perfect sear. Next, prepare all your ingredients by chopping them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This includes your protein, like chicken or beef, and all your favorite vegetables. Also, have your stir-fry sauce mixed and ready to go. Having everything prepped and organized makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get that protein cooking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or peanut oil, to your hot Blackstone griddle. Spread your protein, whether it's thinly sliced chicken, beef, or tofu, in a single layer across the surface. Cook it for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until it's nearly cooked through and has a nice sear. Once done, remove the protein from the griddle and set it aside. It will finish cooking later. With the protein set aside, it's time for the vegetables. Add a little more oil to the griddle, then start with your harder vegetables, such as carrots or broccoli. Sauté these for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding softer vegetables like bell peppers or snap peas. Once the vegetables are crisp tender, return your cooked protein to the griddle. Now, pour your delicious, prepared stir-fry sauce evenly over all the ingredients, ensuring everything is coated. Almost there. Now, use your griddle spatulas to thoroughly toss all the ingredients together, ensuring every piece is coated in that wonderful sauce. Continue cooking for just 1 to 2 more minutes, allowing the sauce to heat through and thicken slightly. Once everything is perfectly combined and piping hot, your Blackstone stir-fry is ready. Serve it immediately over rice or noodles, and consider a garnish of sesame seeds or fresh green onions for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.